Hey guys, do you want to embed a video on your Twitter account? Here's how to do it. It's a pretty simple process, so watch till the end to learn how to embed a video on Twitter account. First, you have to choose a video that you want to embed. As you can see, I'm going to embed this video of CR7. You just need to hold down on the video you want to embed until this type of pop-up comes up. Then you just need to click on this post video. Now here you can see the link of this video has successfully embedded on my post section. Here I am going to write something. You can write anything you want. After completing the post, you can simply click on the post button at the top right corner. Then after loading, you will find your post was sent. When you find this message on the pop-up, then you can go to your profile to check out the post. Here you can see I have embedded this video with my post and the caption is right there and the video is successfully added to my post. That's how you can embed a video on Twitter. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.